took a look at the weekly chart of BHP last time just to get a feel for the bigger picture, but we were still focusing on this minor line of support down here, with the ideal situation being to come down, hit that support before reversing higher again. So our last review was just in this region right here, so as can be seen we did get our wanted leg lower, but unfortunately until today at least we didn't see the demand required to enter in regard to a long trade. So a low close here, yesterday a low close as well, before today's 3.3% rise, obviously in bullish market conditions. A very strong day for the XJO, but more importantly here, not only did we gap higher, but we saw the close on the highs of the session. So that's certainly a step in the right direction. Unfortunately, what it does mean though is that as a risk adjusted trade, we really can't be looking for an entry at current levels. We are only looking for a swing trade back up toward this zone of resistance, with an outside chance that the $40 region, being this prior pivot high here, could be achieved. But having said that, at this stage we'd need to have the initial stop one tick beneath this prior pivot low, and that doesn't offer enough upside in regard to making a formal recommendation. That said, it doesn't mean to say we have to stand aside totally. Quite often when we see a price bar like this, we will see a small consolidation pattern, even a small retracement. That would be the ideal situation, and if that retracement is coupled with low volume, then this would be the buying opportunity a little bit further down the track. I wouldn't read too much into this gap. This company tends to leave gaps, you can see here and here and here. It's just a trait of the company, so don't be looking for that gap to be filled, but a sideways consolidation, a micro triangle, something like that, or little ABC movement down would increase that risk reward and give us reason to make a formal recommendation over the coming days. So right here and now I think it's best to stand aside unless you're a pure momentum trader, but don't forget at this stage only looking for a swing back up toward this zone of resistance at a push toward $40, that being this minor pivot high.
What is your biggest fear?
When I was 45, I realised that I wouldn't have enough funds for retirement.
When we got out of the armed services, we had nothing.
Is this you? No money for retirement?
I knew I wanted to start trading in the share market.
I wanted to learn how the professionals think, which led me to the Chartist.
I needed an expert. That's when I called the Chartist.
Share trading with the experts. thechartist.com.au.
Our clients use the Chartist because they get 27 years worth of experience and they get to take control of their own investments.
Contact the Chartist right now. Take their 2-week trial.
For $19, it's a 2-week trial. Why wouldn't you do it?
If you're worried about your financial future, then maybe this is a wake-up call. Visit us at thechartist.com.au.
Take charge of your life right now.
I urge you to take charge of your life with the Chartist.
I'd really like to say thank you to the Chartist because our life has changed.